Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean voice file and confirming permissions. Record in a quiet room, export as WAV or MP3, and keep the file under platform size limits. Once done, sign into Roblox Studio, open your place, and make sure your account can upload audio. You need to follow Roblox rules for content, so check brief policy notes before uploading to avoid removal. Now upload the audio asset in the Create or Developer Hub area to continue integrating voice into your project. You upload the file via the Create section and give it a descriptive name for easy reference. Include tags if relevant. After uploading, moderation occurs. Expect wait time and plan accordingly. Once approved, go to Studio, open Explorer, and insert the audio asset into replicated storage or workspace depending on use. Then reference it in a script or local script. Set properties like volume, looped, and playback speed. Make sure to use proper parent-child relationships so the audio plays where and when you intend. You finalize by scripting playback control. Call play on the audio object or fire a remote event from server to client to play for a player. Make sure you use a local script for client-only sound and a server script for global sound, because context determines whether players hear it. Test and play solo and on separate clients to confirm behavior. If playback fails, recheck moderation status, asset permissions, and client volume. The key troubleshooting tip is to verify whether the audio is approved and the script runs in the correct context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.